The world we live in. Pro, hold my beer, I got a pet a parrot shirt. It's so wondrous, mysterious, even magical. No, 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 not that world. I meant this one, the smartphone. Each system and program app is its own little planet of perfect technology, all providing services so necessary, so crucial, so unbelievably profound. Look who just sent me a text. Addie McAllister? It must be a mistake. Or a joke. Or, Pro, hold my beer, I got a pet a parrot shirt. Tank top, V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. When he stops picking you, you're no longer a Pro, hold my beer, I got a pet a parrot shirt favorite. There's gotta be some sort of mistake. I mean, look at me. I'm an attractive, hand-giving HI5. Oh, fist bump. Come on in. Hey, ladies. Fist bump? He's a knucklehead. Literally. I can look like that. Ugh. Ow. Cramp. Big mistake. Thanks, mate. Hey, little man. How about you create a distraction? And I'll just slip under the rope. Smiler. Hiya. Just leaving. Yeah, you know. Just killing time before I go back to my cube in the far corner where Alex can't even see me anymore. Official Pro, hold my beer, I got a pet a parrot sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt, places, please. Emojis to Pro, hold my beer, I got a pet a parrot shirt, your cubes. Attention. We've got incoming. Gotta be meh. Oh my gosh. My own cube. I can't believe it. Oh, I could put a plant over here. And over here could go an inspirational calendar. Look at our sun get on there. I'm beaming with pride. Hieroglyphics was an ancient language of picture forms. Does that remind anyone of anything? Hello. A language of pictures. Anyone? Early hieroglyphics back in ancient. I got a reply to Addie's text. What should I write? Nothing. Nothing? Words aren't cool. Okay. Be cool. Other products.